Auntie J say I do it, King. Are you do it?
Yeah.
We're going away now, yeah?
Yeah.
After leave Pisha.
Yeah. Just leave Pisha. Yeah.
We can go away leave her?
Yeah.
But I never just say a while ago, so you change them out.
Yeah.
Can you ask up the food, please?
Me never even see. You want to hear my while ago, Pisha?
What?
Them say me I go away leave you. No, you can't leave Auntie Pisha. It is not right. You can't leave Auntie Pisha. Hmm?
You follow my advice, Pisha, you have sensible.
Not my father. It's my
The big
father.
bottle of water.
It's
go
my
for
father.
canteen, economical.
My father.
Yeah, parrot?
It's my father.
Who I talk to you? I never talk to you.
True, she just called him father.
Hey, why is that Pisha and you
Go away leave her though.
No.
You want to wait on her?
Yeah.
Why?
Bipolar.
Why? King, we're going now leave Pisha, Auntie Pisha? Why? She taking long.
So wants us to know why she's gonna stay.
She's gonna do what?
Now why she needs to come back.
I don't understand French.
I don't understand what you say. Why we never go leave Auntie Pisha?
Come back again.
What?
How will I get home, King?
Here, Anna, see me? She come right back. A pint. You can take off your Auntie Pisha with butter, yeah.
Pisha, how much is the water?
Well, the bottle, 1100
And pull it back at 200.
Put the fish on back.
Hiccups?
Yeah.
Can you stop your breath? Do it and it will stop. Stop your breath. Alright, have some water. Jay, give him this to me. What is the name of it?
What?
Why you dirty doing? You still have it? What is it?
Hiccups again.
Drink some more water and see if it's gonna stop.
So much medical place them out. So much doctor.
Nobody can see. King, stop it. I do it now.
Hiccup again.
Okay, drink some more water. In body say him a do it, Jay? Are you do it?
Yeah. Hiccup.
You finish hiccup now?
No, my hiccups don't come.
Stop it. I do it.
Hiccup not gone. Hiccup not gone. Hiccup not gone.
Pisha look like the murder man then.
No, just the door. Yeah, ear, Mr. Pisha, what is that ear?
Hiccup again. Hiccup. Hiccup again.
Stop it. Are you doing it?
Yeah.
So why are you doing it?
Hiccup. Hiccup.
Stop it.
Stop hiccup now.
You don't. The hiccups don't. My hiccups don't gone.
No pan film hiccup or it extra.
And not him do it, him do it?
Yeah. And hiccup.
Yeah, but are you doing it yourself or it's really hiccups?
Yeah, him. That's sneeze.
You're boring.